Coming up in June on Justhands-on.tv, we have a cornucopia of delights for you this June, which includes 5 Fridays. We start the month with a delightful tour of Mandy Shaw's workshop, and Valerie Nesbitt will be showing us a variety of different examples that use the Take 5 pattern, which works well with those fabrics that have a slightly larger print that you'd like to showcase. Sally Ann Harrison has us working on her London Soldier wool applique pattern using the sewing machine, and our Throwback Thursday feature is a simple jelly roll quilt from Sarah Soward. During the month, Jenny Raymond shows us how to create 3D quilts with her tumbling blocks and Y-seam technique, and another technique featured this month is foundation piecing, which is very useful for creating pictures, New York beauty blocks and the Mariner's Compass block. Sylvia Critcher has a delightful summer rose cushion project, which includes her trademark trapunto sewing and would be perfect as a holiday project. And we reach the castle wall border of Anne Baxter's fabulous Navajo blanket quilt. Paula Doyle continues with her American hand piecing series, and we join her tacking up an easy stack quilt. Solid preparation makes the sewing so easy peasy. And finally, Valerie Nesbitt shows us how to create beautiful quilts from old ties. There are new videos released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.